Dear friends, one of the commonest questions asked when people come for treatment for piles is, are piles curable after surgery? Will I get cured? That's what is the question. Because there is a misconception in the society and even in the doctors' community sometimes that if piles, even if it is operated, you will get it again. That is a real misconception. It is not so. Because it depends on what sort of piles they have, which degree they have, and what sort of lifestyle they have, and then what sort of procedures that were selected to cure his condition. If piles are to be cured, see, piles are normal, small normal structures. When they get enlarged and start bleeding or coming out, we call them as piles. So why it has come out, what is the reason for it, all those things, if they are taken care during operation, it's not that we do laser so we won't get it again, or we do Doppler, we won't get it again, or stapler, we lose. So there are many methods of doing it. But choosing the right procedure will prevent the formation of piles again. Apart from that, of course, we tell them to manage their lifestyle also. But even if there is a mild recurrence, it will not be like you get back the piles again. One may have a little bleeding once in a while. That is, all are not due to piles. So there is a lot of miscommunication and lot of confusion in the minds of the people that even if I get surgery again, I will get it. No, it's not so. So piles can be cured by proper usage of technology and taking care of the lifestyle. Once that is done, you will not be getting it back again. That is assured.